what happened as an extremely entitled lady confronted the law.
Not the whole time, just literally
30 minutes?
Oh, for the last 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's a long time.
Wow. And I'll remember that. I'll remember that.
Brianna, hey.
Here are times when entitled ladies act like the law doesn't exist, starting with a crazy woman.
not the whole time, just literally
30 minutes?
Oh, for the last 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's a long time.
Okay, not long.
On October 17, 2022, officers were dispatched to a local bank after a woman tried to withdraw $4,000 from an account that had been previously compromised and closed. The bank staff, sensing something was wrong, immediately contacted the officers.
That's her.
Yeah, she knows. And this is the ID. We already spoke to the real customer, and she's in PA.
So what she's trying to do,
She's trying to withdraw $4,000 out of her account.
So how's she trying to do that? She has an ATM?
No, she has the last four numbers of an account that was already compromised. So back office already know.
Oh, she's already...
Yeah, not today, because the customer had to open a new account. So the account that she has, the last four numbers of the account that she has, is already been closed and a new account was open. So she don't know that a new account was open, but she's trying to take money.
So do you guys know if she was the one that withdrew the
I'm
phone?
not sure.
When the officers arrived, the woman appeared confused and unaware of how suspicious her behavior looked. She moved nervously, refusing to stay still, and became increasingly agitated as officers started asking her questions.
But
Hey, if you could check.
this is definitely not sure.
Ma'am? No. You're not gonna do that. You're not gonna stand over there, please.
Cheryl?
yes.
Absolutely. And
You have a card? Yeah, well, go outside. I'm not gonna put it over here.
Where's your right?
All the way down there.
I've been trying to have them hold.
Upon further investigation, the officers discovered that the rightful account holder was in Pennsylvania, not the woman standing before them. Despite this, the suspect continued to insist she was the owner of the account, refusing to cooperate with the investigation.
I mean, he's gonna speak with you. After you speak with people in the bank.
Your Officer Akadima?
Yes, ma'am.
So the actual customer is in PA.
Philadelphia,
yeah.
Pennsylvania, I mean.
Yeah, Pennsylvania. I'm talking to them right now.
Okay.
This is the third time that she has been trying to withdraw.
Who's the person?
Right now, Jonathan is on the phone.
Hey, what's going on? Who's this individual here?
So what?
What 60?
You can hold the 66 for me.
That's his beat. Stay 10 12, let me run this ID, all right? I've not asked anything.
All right, so pretty much we're over here with someone that's claiming to be you and trying to pull out funds. Let me give it back to the gentleman over here, okay? All right, bye. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned.
Why am I being...
Hold on. If you can add a...
As the situation escalated, the police read her Miranda rights, urging her to clarify her identity. Instead of cooperating, she avoided the officers' direct questions, claiming that she needed legal representation before saying anything further.
To hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before and during any questioning. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, do you want to talk to me about why we're here today?
I'm sorry, what now?
Do you want to talk to me about why we're here today?
I'm not really sure. Questioning, I guess, my ID or something.
Okay, what's your real name?
My real name is Cheryl.
Is it Cheryl?
Cheryl.
Okay, where'd you get your ID?
Back home.
We're back.
I mean, I don't understand why this...
We'll go back. What's your social?
It's gonna be a white female. Can you please also email me the picture on the DL?
Run and send a picture. So, right now we have fraud. Right? So, are you saying you are Cheryl? You are the individual that gave me that ID, and that is exactly who you are. That's who you were born with. That information.
I've already explained that. I do want to speak to an attorney, though. If you're really arresting me right now.
Police received a photograph from the Pennsylvania DMV, which did not match the woman they were speaking to. She continued to insist that the ID was hers, even though the evidence was clear that something was off.
Person, you're not that person.
I've been telling you I'm that person, but I'm just trying to figure out why.
So the ID she gave me, she's claiming that's who she is, from Pennsylvania. I spoke to the person that has the same information as her on the phone, the TD Bank that their records have, and that person has had the identity stolen in 3 different locations, and this is the newest one. One's in New York.
Yeah, we can't verify the closure. The ID we got out of Pennsylvania, the picture that comes back to that is cut in half. It looks like it's not her.
Everything's correct besides the picture, apparently. And her identity's been taken in 3 different locations.
So I told our teletype to email me the actual picture so they don't have to send me an email.
All right, bring your car over here.
Is my social wrong?
What's up?
I gave you the right social.
Yeah, we're just verifying the picture that's on the DM.
The officers warned her that providing false information was a serious crime, but instead of admitting the truth, she held firm, refusing to reveal her true identity. This forced the officers to take further action.
So we're waiting on dispatch.
What's my caller's name?
You drive? Are you driving?
No, I Ubered over. Yeah. I did like that thing where you can get out and take a moment, go back, but they don't do that.
That's the reason.
So am I being arrested?
No. It's just we're trying to figure out what's going on with your ID, the account we're trying to.
See how y'all do it with the vests and all that.
Yeah.
No.
Look up statutes, see what you got.
Am I free to go?
Actually, bring the computer over here.
790.
So, you're saying that ID belongs to you?
Yes, sir.
At this point, the officers began preparing to arrest her. She tried to argue her way out of it, but after resisting arrest, she was eventually handcuffed. Even in cuffs, she insisted that she didn't want to go to jail, pleading with the officers.
That's not you. That is 1,000% not you.
Okay. I don't understand. I really don't understand.
We run the ID. That's the picture that comes up.
The DMV.
Through the DMV, state to state. So we're going to try this again. What's your name?
Cheryl.
I'm going to let you know, if we don't get your name, you're going to go to jail. Because it's false information to a law enforcement officer. An arrestable crime. It's also presenting a false ID to a bank. I can tell you this is a fake ID. I'll show you how.
See, now, that's not.
Well,
You're good. All right. You're fine.
right.
So if I.
Can you drop this
I'm
thing?
not done talking. I'm not done talking.
We're done.
No, I wasn't done talking with you.
We are
sir.
done.
We're done, man.
We are done.
Turn around.
Please.
Give me the other hand.
So you're putting it.
Ow. My wrist is already messed up. It's
Give me an extra cuff.
All right, here's a police card for Cheryl. Definitely have.
Hold on, I'm trying to. Can you hold on 1 second?
Take your hand. Take that thing in my pocket.
I'm just putting my phone.
Oh, it's not going.
I know.
I got it.
Oh, okay. I was just trying to make it easier so I could put my arm back.
Put it in the car.
So I don't know if you understand what he's trying to tell you.
After repeated warnings that hiding her identity would only lead to more charges, the woman finally caved and revealed her real name as Christina. However, by this point, it was too late to avoid the inevitable consequences.
Separate from what happened in there. So you have another charge added. So
I'm not trying to have anything added on
we
anything.
can go back and forth with this all day, but that's going to be an extra charge and it's a felony. So I'm letting you know right now. So whatever game you want to play, it is what it is. So if you want to add an extra charge to what you already have in there, that's up to you. All right, we could be here all day. So.
I don't want an extra charge of any kind. I don't want any charge.
Okay, so are you ready to identify yourself? Positively identify yourself. Or you want us to keep on, because we're going to take you to county jail.
Okay.
This is what's going to happen. When you get there, we're going to book you as a gendo. When we book you as a gendo, you're going to be there until they identify you. If it takes minutes.
Yeah, that's a long time.
Okay, so what?
I mean, she made that call while I was standing over here with her.
I was just trying to let them know so they can hear that people.
Who's they?
Literally my person.
The person?
Yeah.
Doesn't make any sense. Start walking over there.
That's what I say for my boyfriend. It's not.
Your boyfriend's your person?
Yeah, my person.
Okay, keep walking.
Say it.
Just keep going straight. Turn right. Go straight. None of these are my cars.
Listen, I don't want to be put in as a Jane Doe, obviously, so I can give you my name.
So you want to give me your real name?
I didn't. Listen, you don't understand. You don't know
Keep walking.
me.
I'm trying to identify who you are, but
know,
you're
but I'm
over
saying
here,
in
you're lying to me the
general.
whole time. So how can I give you information?
Christina then admitted that her driver's license was suspended and that she had previously used IDs from Georgia. Officers took note of this information and prepared to take her into custody for multiple offenses.
Where are we going?
To that car over there. Take a seat. All right. What's your real name?
Christina.
Christine?
Christina.
Do you have a Florida ID?
At the moment, I do not
What
have.
have you had in the past to identify who you are?
I've had an ID in the past, but my license has been suspended.
That's fine.
Yeah,
What kind? From where?
from Georgia.
Georgia.
Yeah.
All right. What?
Ultimately, Christina was charged with fraud and providing false information to law enforcement. Under state law, fraud is classified as a felony and can result in penalties of several years in prison, while providing false information is a misdemeanor that may carry up to 1 year in jail and fines up to $1,000. In this case, it was even more dramatic.
Please, please come over here. Please, right now. Please, no, right now. You need to come over here right now.
On January 28, 2023, officers pulled over a vehicle to investigate the driver for DWI. While one officer conducted sobriety tests, Officer Smith spoke with the passenger, inquiring about their relationship and their activities earlier that evening.
What's happening?
So, Officer Smith, the officer that just pulled, is this your boyfriend, husband?
This is my husband.
Okay, hold your husband out because he feels that he might be under the influence of alcohol or something like that, okay? So he's taking him out. He's gonna run him through some tests.
The passenger mentioned that they had been downtown and were on their way home, claiming nothing eventful happened on the drive. When asked for identification, she hesitated but eventually provided her first name.
Where were you coming from?
Yeah.
We're coming from downtown.
Downtown? Okay. You guys just hanging out and you guys are heading home or?
We're just heading home.
Okay. Anything happen on the drive or anything like that? No? Okay. Has he had anything to drink time?
No, he hasn't.
Okay. Do you mind if I get your driver's license from you?
Of course.
Where do you guys live?
Rancho.
Where at?
We live in Rancho, like,
Okay. Do you know the street by chance?
I know the street,
Okay.
by chance.
Am I able to get your ID?
No.
Okay. What's your first name?
The officers asked if she had been drinking, to which she admitted she had, though she insisted her boyfriend had not. However, because of her visible intoxication, the officers would not allow her to drive the vehicle home. As soon as she learned that her boyfriend was being arrested for DWI, tension started to rise.
Yeah, it's cool.
So no argument or nothing like
No.
that? Okay. You don't want to provide this officer with your information?
No, he's the best.
You talking about the driver?
I'm talking about my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend? How long you guys been together?
10 years.
Oh, wow. Okay. And you guys live here in Rio Rancho?
Yes.
And you were in Albuquerque?
Yes.
Been drinking, is that right?
No, he hasn't. Only me.
Okay.
Only me.
Where were you guys at downtown? Just bar hopping or what?
Firefighters?
Is he one of our firefighters or is he?
Oh, wouldn't you like to know?
I'm just making conversation, that's it.
She became visibly upset upon hearing her boyfriend was being taken into custody. She demanded explanations and argued with the officers, even requesting to take her boyfriend's phone, a request that was denied.
He's being arrested right now for DWI.
That's not right.
So Officer Smith is a DWI unit officer.
Okay, what can I...
Mercedes, gotta go. I already grabbed it.
Can I drive home or...
Smith.
I can do a field sobriety test.
Is this his phone? Hold on, I'm gonna take it with him. Do you want him to be
I
up?
think I want that. I think I want that. And it's my phone.
Okay.
And it's my telephone.
I don't care. When he gets out of jail, he's not gonna have a
I
phone.
don't care really.
That's for you guys to figure out.
That's fine. That's what you're gonna figure out.
I'm not the one going to jail.
After stumbling around near some bushes, she continued resisting the officers' attempts to assist her. Her intoxication made her uncooperative, and despite their efforts to calm her, she fixated on finding her phone, delaying the situation further.
Do you want to ride home? Mercedes, do you want to ride home?
No.
Go ahead.
What are you going to do? Because you're too drunk to be sitting here. I can't leave you here. So what are we going to do? I'm trying to help you. I've only been nice to you and you're not being nice back.
Well, if you want to be nice, help me find my phone.
Okay, can we go back to the truck to find your phone?
My phone's right here. What do you mean? Coming out my phone.
Okay, well your ride is driving off, so we're running out of options.
Okay, come on.
I'm not going in the weeds. Come out of the weeds.
While wandering in and out of the area, the officers repeatedly instructed her to return to the vehicle. She continually refused to cooperate, making it difficult for the officers to manage the situation. Eventually, they managed to guide her back to the truck.
Let's go back to the truck so we can sit down. Let's go. Come on. I'm going to help you.
No, you're not.
Why would I not want to help you?
Look at me.
What's wrong with you?
Look at me in my eyes.
What?
Look at me in my eyes.
I am looking at you in the eyes. Let's go, so I can help you get out of the cold. It's freezing out here.
And I'm out of the cold.
Do you have family that lives around here that'd be able to pick you up? Let's look over here. Don't fall. Let's take a seat.
Let me have a ride home.
Do you have family?
Dominic isn't here.
Dominic. Who's Dominic? Is that who you
The
have?
man you just arrested. Wow. 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 And I'll remember
So
that.
do you have family to pick you up or not?
When you have family to arrest you,
She called her mother, pleading for help and asking to be picked up. However, her behavior only worsened. Officer Gonzalez took over the conversation, explaining the circumstances to her mother and requesting that someone come to retrieve her.
You're out to 81 with my 15 miles. Just
sorry, Mom. Yeah, Mom, I'm sorry. Mom, Dom got, no, I'm not. Dom got arrested. Yes, please come on. What is it? Please come
Tell her,
on, please.
tell her we're just south of the Walmart, okay?
We're just south of the Walmart.
All right, I
Please,
got you.
Mom, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Bernalillo.
By Bernalillo? Yeah, you're almost to Bernalillo.
Yeah, we're almost to Bernalillo. Mom, please, just... No, I'm with the cops. I'm with the cops right now.
Do you want me to talk to her to give her better directions?
No, do you want to talk to the cops right now? Okay. I'm sorry. Just talk to my mom. Just tell it.
Hi, man.
Despite her arrest, she frantically called her mother, pleading for help and asking her to come quickly. The officers tried to manage the situation, but her defiance escalated the tension. Ultimately, her refusal to cooperate led to her being taken into custody.
Show me your
Listen, I'm trying to avoid you getting arrested for being disorderly. Okay, let me do my job.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we're gonna wait for your ride. I don't want to arrest you.
Please,
do you understand?
I don't want him. He's a firefighter.
Okay, that's fine. Let me continue my investigation. The vehicle's going to be towed.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm making sure that I document everything that's in his vehicle.
I just want you to know that, like, he's a firefighter and, like...
Okay, so right now I need you to stay.
After numerous warnings, she crossed a line by pushing one of the officers while they were conducting a vehicle inventory. Left with no other option, the officers arrested her for disorderly conduct and battery on a police officer.
That's it. Just like to control you. Here, I got it. That's it. Ma'am, she's going to be arrested for disorderly. That's twice that she's tried to struck us.
So... No, you're okay, it's not your fault. So they stopped her, they stopped Dominic, we arrested him, we're trying to keep her under control. She takes off, runs and falls in the weeds. We help take her out. While I'm talking with you the first time, my partner's trying to inventory the vehicle so we get it towed. She runs in there and throws my partner out of the way. So we give her a break, we give you back, talk to her. While we're talking with you, she goes to slam the door on us again while we're standing in the truck. So we can't at this point. We've given her too many chances. What I can do for you is I can ask her if she's willing to talk to me, if you can take her purse and stuff.
Okay.
So
she has work in the morning. What do I need to do?
I would
How can I get her out?
To be honest, she's probably going to have to see a judge. There's not going to be a bond or anything on this.
Monday?
She's going to go assault on a peace officer ×2.
I'm so sorry. That's okay.
I
Unfortunately, you know what I mean? That she did it twice. I gave her a break when she did it to me, and then she did it to this officer here. So it's like, no, you know.
Ultimately, she was charged with 2 counts of battery on a peace officer and 2 counts of disorderly conduct. Under state law, battery on a peace officer is classified as a felony, which can result in several years in prison, while disorderly conduct is a misdemeanor that may carry penalties of up to 1 year in jail and fines of up to $1,000. Come to the last case.
All I did was ask you if I could go pee, bro. That's all I did.
The officers approached the car, asking routine questions, but things quickly became suspicious when the driver admitted to drinking earlier in the night.
You're reaching like underneath you. Hey, dudes.
How are you?
James.
You know why I stopped him?
No. Yeah, he was going down, but
I'm trying to get this.
he's just trying to get me home. Like, honestly, like,
I did 82.
Yes, sir.
You got your driver's license on you?
I don't have it on me, no, sir.
Okay.
I do got one.
He does have a valid one. He just
my wallet on me.
Okay. How much you had to drink?
Enough.
Okay, but you know me, I'm not driving, so like, why does it matter how much I
I'm just wondering.
It's okay, it doesn't matter.
When asked about the car's dealer plates, the passenger provided a story that didn't quite add up, claiming the vehicle was on loan from the dealership for repairs.
Okay.
Listen, quit doing that. He's being cool, bro.
How are y'all related?
She's just a friend. I just got off work.
What's up with the vehicle? Like, I see it's a dealer tag.
Oh no, so what happened was I bought a vehicle from Kia, and then I had to take it up there. I thought it was an alignment, like it was wobbling. I literally just bought the vehicle, so I took it up there, and then like I have the video like this, so that there was like all this stuff wrong with it. So they gave me this.
The officers then asked for identification. The driver confessed that he didn't have his license on him, and the passenger, becoming increasingly defensive, insisted it didn't matter because she wasn't the one driving.
Isn't your name Brianna?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
But I'm not driving, so like, why does that matter?
I'm just asking.
And obviously, you know the fucking answer.
Well, you look different. You look a lot rougher than last time I saw you. So, do you have a copy of your registration for the vehicle or anything?
No, he's driving my vehicle because I'm drunk. He was just trying to get me on.
I don't think they gave her anything. I was at a dealership.
They literally, bro.
Because the tag doesn't come back to this vehicle. It's just it comes back to the
tag
outside.
Bro, I have the fucking paperwork, dog. Like I literally asked him. I said, "What's no, bro? Just
calm the fuck down."
Is the vehicle registered to you?
The officers checked the car's VIN number, but the passenger became agitated, throwing her hands out of the window, yelling at the officers as the situation intensified.
Can you see if there's a registration in here or any paperwork that would have the VIN and stuff for the vehicle?
No, they ain't saying. They ain't giving up the thing.
Alright.
But we can call them. I'll call them.
Frustration peaked for the passenger, leading her to accuse the officers of harassment. Both individuals were ordered to exit the car.
You want me to call them?
No, you're okay. Anything illegal in the vehicle today?
Oh, absolutely not.
Okay. Any guns, firearms, anything?
No.
Any large sums of cash over $10,000?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Anybody smoke marijuana?
I smoke.
I mean, I smoke, but we ain't been smoking in here, so.
Okay, fair enough.
This is 2025, baby. I ain't fucking that up.
How old are you, my man? 24?
No, he's talking to my kids.
Do you have any ID on you? None at all?
I have mine, though. You want mine?
Okay. Can I get your name real quick? You sure you weren't stuffing, like, sitting on something? Because as soon as I came to the passenger side, you started moving around.
I was looking for my, bro, I have a beer right here, but this is my beer.
The passenger's frustration peaked, leading to accusations of harassment against the officers. They ordered both individuals to step out of the car.
I put it right there, that's my beer. The dude that ain't, like, he's not drinking right.
Sit down and relax for a second. Y'all give me just a minute.
No.
I'm gonna come over to that side real quick and just grab the VIN off the vehicle. Okay, just so I can confirm everything.
Right there.
Okay. Hey, open this door right here for me, so I can get the one from the inside the door. So it's yeah, I got it right here too. So it's essentially just a rental car.
Yeah, it's not a rental car. It's a car that they gave her at the dealership to drive and fix her car because she bought a car 3 days ago.
While the driver complied, the passenger refused, claiming the stop was unnecessary. Officers warned her that failure to comply would result in arrest.
Okay. And then had to bring it back like 2 days after that.
Okay, I'm gonna shut this real quick. Y'all hang out just for a sec, okay? You ain't got no guns on you, nothing like that. Here, come on back here for me. I'm just gonna make sure you ain't got no guns on you, okay? So what's the deal? Why is everyone so nervous?
They're pissing me off.
During the search of the driver, he remained calm, asserting he was merely trying to assist the passenger. Despite this, she continued to resist, claiming the stop was unjustified.
Hey, sit down for a second.
And they picked me up and wanted me to fucking drive them home, so I'm driving them home. I just got off work.
You don't have anything up in your door?
No, I got nothing in my pocket.
You don't have any weed in there?
No, I don't have that.
It's like right past the fairground before the State Farm office, Monday through Friday. I work for MD.
NCIC 1.
Why does that matter?
Brianna. Because we're just making. Hey, do you
but like, listen, like, bro, like, I'm telling you, like, if you can't take anybody saying,
hey,
please,
Brianna,
bro,
do you have a shirt that you can put on so you can cover up?
No, this is what the fuck I wear.
You don't have nothing on you, right?
Right.
Nothing illegal? I'm just asking. Okay, here, come on back here and have a seat on my bumper with them real quick, okay? You can leave him in here for a second.
And I'm calling Mommy.
As officers attempted to handcuff her, she resisted, demanding to know why she was being arrested and insisting she just wanted to use the restroom.
Hey, Brianna, hey, listen to me. You're in a public place, so if you don't stop yelling, I'm gonna take you to jail, okay? Like super simple, okay? And then I'm gonna call DCF to come get your kid. So either you can sit there and be quiet for a sec, okay? Because you're intoxicated, okay?
But I wasn't driving.
It doesn't matter.
You just searched my car illegally.
Okay, cool. Come talk to me when you're sober, and we'll explain it.
The officers warned her they would call Child Protective Services if she didn't cooperate, which heightened the emotional tension.
literally just asked you if you would walk me in front of me and you said
No, I did not say that.
No,
You said you were going in the
No,
I told you to wait right there. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Brianna, get in the car.
Please don't do this.
Okay, get in the car.
Please.
Get in the car.
Like literally all I did was ask her to be. All I did was ask her to be broken up. Please just go be. I'm not.
Get
I'm
in the car.
Are you kidding?
Get in the car.
No, we're not getting, trust me.
Put your foot in. Put your leg in.
All I did
There
was
you
ask you to go pee, bro.
Can I take Lincoln with me to meet your mom? If not, they're gonna call DCF, and that's what you don't want.
I wasn't even drunk.
Listen,
As they placed her in the police car, she yelled, accusing the officers of mistreatment and demanding to know the charges against her.
This shit is
There's plenty of reasons. There's plenty of reasons.
Let me tell you what we're gonna do. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do.
No, I want to know what you're arresting me
We're gonna call DCF, okay?
Okay, no,
Hold your breath.
he's gonna take my son.
Is that what you want to have happen?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I want to know what you're arresting me for. You can't even tell me that.
So,
What are you arresting
it's probably
me
going to
for?
be drug paraphernalia
Excuse me?
and resisting.
Hey, resisting what, bro?
Ultimately, the woman was charged with public intoxication, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. Under Florida law, public intoxication and disorderly conduct are classified as second-degree misdemeanors, carrying penalties of up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. It's the end of our video today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other interesting videos.